To sculpt the last bridge, we'll be using the mighty stamp tool again. First, we'll need to create a new sculpture by going to Sculpt mode via the Modes menu. Now that you're in Sculpt mode, make sure you've switched off the mirror guide before you continue. You can also switch off Grid Snap if you want to. Hold the secondary T button to open the Sculpt menu. Select a shape and colour for your sculpture. You'll be equipped with the Smear Shape tool by default, so you'll need to switch to the Stamp Shape tool. Don't forget to use the shortcut. Press the primary triangle button to switch between Stamp Shape and Smear Shape. Use Form to make a simple bridge. Forgotten the gesture? Just touch your controller's spheres together. Press the secondary T button to confirm your shape. Next, choose a sphere from the Shapes menu and select a new colour for it. Now move the new shape right next to the bridge so that they're touching. If your imps are in an awkward position, you may need to recalibrate them. Just hold Start on either motion controller until the imps snap to front and centre. Right, this is where your sculpting skills move up a notch. With your shape just touching the bridge, hold the square button on the secondary controller and twist it away from the primary controller. The more you twist, the softer the blend will be. Stamp the soft shape with the primary T button. It's amazing, isn't it? You can make some really intricate and bizarre shapes using Soft Blend. Soft Blend only works with the Stamp Shape and Spray Paint tools. So if nothing's happening, you probably still have the Smear tool equipped. Just press the primary triangle button to switch to Stamp Shape. You can also use Soft Blend on subtractive shapes. To switch to subtractive sculpting, touch the sphere of your secondary controller to the base of your primary controller. Try using Soft Blend with the Spray Paint tool. It's great for blending colours. Experiment with different shapes and blends on your bridge. See what you can come up with. Bear in mind that you can only blend shapes that are part of the same sculpture. When you finish sculpting the bridge, try it out in play mode and get Connie to Cuthbert. Take Connie through the door to finish the tutorial.